Hi everyone, it's Marisol the Realtor. Today we're going to talk about what you shouldn't do after you apply for a mortgage. So today we're going to talk about some of the things that you shouldn't do once you decide you're going to purchase a home and apply for an actual mortgage, right? So the first thing is, once you actually do the application, so you actually fill all the paperwork out and send it to the lender, don't make any large cash deposits. Small deposits, that's okay, but cash deposits, I'm talking about maybe $10,000, $20,000. Let's say someone you know, a relative, is going to gift you money to help you for the down payment. Get with a lender first so that they can tell you how to properly do that, because when you make large cash deposits, it is very difficult to trace, and the lender's going to want to know where the money came from and if that is a regular deposit, because that is a determinant of how much and if they're going to lend you money, right? Number two, don't make large purchases. So I'm talking about, let's say, buying a car. Don't go out and buy a $30,000 car. It becomes a new obligation for you. And lenders look at what your income and what your expenses are. So your assets and your debts, what comes in and what comes out. And now this new purchase has become something of an expense. And so now perhaps they won't lend you as much as they would have if you hadn't purchased it. Number three, don't co-sign any loans for anyone. So let's say you're not the one purchasing the car. Let's say someone you know, but you're the one with the good credit. So they ask you if you can co-sign the loan for them. Don't do it. You become obligated to that as well. You have to pay for that debt. If they don't fall through with their payments, then you're obligated. Therefore, the lender is the one that's going to look at that as an expense. And again, same as if you were to have purchased it, that's going to probably reduce the amount of money that they lend you, perhaps even cost you getting the loan. Number four, don't change bank accounts. Don't go transferring money here and there, opening and closing bank accounts. It becomes very difficult for the lenders to figure out what your assets are. And what you want to do is, as quickly as possible and as clear as possible, show the lender what you have, what your assets are, so that they can then approve you as quick as possible. Number five, don't open new credit. So I'm talking about anything that will run your credit, like a new credit card or a credit program or a line of credit from another bank. Don't do it. This will lower your credit score. So if the bank had gotten you a really good interest rate, now your credit score has dropped and they might not be able to grant you that really good interest rate. So don't do that. And the last one, number 6, is don't close any credit cards. Now this could be a surprise to you, because most of us think of, okay, I have less debt, I'm going to close the credit card, or I don't want to keep buying things and filling up the credit card. But don't do that. Put it away. Don't use it, because that will be something that the lender is going to look at to see what your payment history is. That's like your resume on you paying on time, seeing how much you're actually putting on a credit card. If your credit card payment is $5,000 every month, they're going to consider that. But if it's only, say, $50 and you pay it on time every single month, that works in your favor. So these lenders look at all these things. So I recommend, think about these 6 things, and remember not to do them after you actually applied for a mortgage. Afterwards, you can. After you close and everything is done, you can do whatever you want. But beforehand, if you really want that loan and really want that house, my recommendation is follow these 6 things that you shouldn't do. This is Marisol the Realtor. So if you need anything or have any questions on this topic or are looking to purchase or sell a property, give me a call at 407 607-5201. It would be my pleasure to help you.